It's been quite a while since I released some new clothes, so come spend the day with me as I show you some updates I made to my brand in the past month and learn how I created some brand new shiesties. Welcome to Behind the Guilt.
I know how to make the girl go crazy when you treat her like your number one baby.
I recently remodeled my website and I'm going to show y'all all the changes I made. I essentially made it more videography focused now. So if you go to the homepage, it features a bunch of screenshots from a bunch of different music videos and concert videos I did. It has some photos from clothing drops in the past as well. The biggest change to the website is there's now a music video application page. So if you have a song or a concert you want shot, you can hop on over to this page and fill out this quick form. I'll get back to you within 48 hours. The store is currently shut down because I need to create new pieces. There's going to be beanies similar to this, not this exact style, but there's going to be shiesties, stickers, more tops. What you see right here is just the start. I'm going to be updating pages as I go along. And yeah, there should be more on the way soon. Here's a super quick desk tour. Right here is my Lego Piranha plant. Here's a manifesto I created. This is a 3D printed toy that I got printed in high school. Shout out Miss White. Here's a clay figure I made. And I decided I'm actually going to be turning these into toys soon. So here is some 3D printed prototypes. This is a sketchbook I made. And then here are some drafts of the upcoming beanie design. And right below is an official mock-up of what the design will look like. Unfortunately, I have to hide that for now. This is my Kensington trackball mouse. This is my laptop, my second monitor. And then finally, this is a drawing tablet that Emily got me. It's super nice for more of a hand-drawn aesthetic in design work.
They look like mushrooms. These niggas keep talking about that smoke, but they don't want no heavy artillery on me. Heard that you got one gun. You know my
just pulled up to Staples because I'm returning this package for one of my Christmas gifts. Emily was super sweet and bought me a new speaker, which is the JBL Flip 5, which it sounds pretty good. But one problem is they accidentally sent her a faulty one, so I'm returning it. Thankfully, it has a 1-year warranty, so I'm just sending everything back to them and they'll send me a brand new one. So no worries, but it'll be perfect for shooting new music videos and whatever else my heart desires. I just love music, so I'm excited to get a replacement one. Before I run in there though, I'm going to tell you guys about this new camera I got. It's what I'm shooting on right now. I got the DJI Nano Osmo. It's great because it's wide angle, 4K, 30 FPS, like I don't know, it's in log as well too, which is super sweet, so it makes for easier color grading. Yeah, it's gonna be great to get like little angles that I wouldn't be able to get otherwise. Like, look at this, bro. My car looks huge. This is like a little mount I had on while I was driving, so that's how I did that little shot right there. It has this like external monitor that unplugs. It's essentially like a little baby camera. That's why it's called a Nano. I've used it a couple of times so far, but I think this might be my regular vlog camera. We'll see. It's pretty portable. I'm gonna go run in and drop this off. It would not be a proper Behind the Guilt video if I didn't do a fit check. So right now I got on an unreleased beanie and on the cuff style this time. Usually I rock it uncuffed, so it has like little ears, chain. Got a nice crocheted sweater cardigan made by my girlfriend. Follow her new Instagram page at Gift to Earth. It's a crochet page she just started. Like a thrifted green Nike sweatshirt, just a unique little tee underneath, some basic gray sweat shorts. I wear these a lot. Nike socks, and then Golf Le Fleur low top Converse that I, once again, like all my shoes, beat to hell. But they have like a fun little flower print underneath. And I think they're worth like 200 bucks, but I got them for 30 bucks. I may have said this previously on my channel, but I essentially got a mystery box, which was 60 bucks for 2 pairs, free shipping. So technically 30 bucks, and the other pair I got, I'm gonna put a picture up here. I love those shoes so much. Oh, and then my rings, of course. But yeah, there's the fit. All right, shiesty time. Here's some sketches I made in my sketchbook. I then mocked a couple ideas up in Illustrator. Yes, I know the text is off-center. Ignore that. But once I had these designs ready, I printed them on my Cricut in a blue and white vinyl. I weeded the vinyl out, got my heat press preheated, and then it was finally time to press them on the masks themselves. After I heat pressed each design on, I peeled the plastic back and I would examine the quality. Once I repeated the process with all these designs, I had 2 samples that I could look at and compare. Unfortunately, the eyeball design did not work out like I thought, but that's how it goes. Thankfully, the teardrop looks really nice. So 1 failure and 1 success. Unfortunately, the eye shiesty did not work out. It looked too burnt and it just looked cheap. Main reason is because the seam is right here, so I was trying to figure out a way to work around that. I tried pressing on a corner, it didn't work. And that's why I make samples. So yeah, we're all good on that. But anyways, I really love how this looks. I modified the type a little bit to look more full, but I love this placement and this typography. If you want to know the font, message me, but I'm gatekeeping as of right now. And then this is like a teardrop, so super cool design. I like it. I'm probably gonna make all these on my Cricut. I usually try and stay away from making stuff on my Cricut unless it's a sample or unless it's something that won't be washed a lot. Because once this washes, I think it's like over 20 times, it starts to wear. The last shiesties I made were with the Cricut, and I washed them a good amount of times. They've held up pretty well. It's been, I think, like 4 years or something. So yeah, I'm sure these will last through the test of time as well. I'm gonna do a few wash tests just to confirm that this works well, and then I just need to do photos and drop them. But yeah, first glimpse right here. I know this was a short vlog, but I hope you enjoyed learning about the changes I made to my website, some upcoming products I have, about my new camera, and how I made my new shiesties from start to finish. Many more vlogs on the way. Thanks for watching. Peace. Yeah, that was slick.
Like Sean Kim, popping bottles in the Vim. I feel like a pimp at Long John's eating my shrimp. Surrounded by bad bitches. I thank God for all my bitches. Without all my bitches, I would probably still have bitches.